Hi, my name is Tara Trefry, and I do research at KooDooZ. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about the My Network feature that you'll find located on your desktop. My Network allows you to see the fans that you're connected to and the relationships you have with them, as well as invite others on the site to be your fan. In order to open My Network, move your mouse over to the cell phone icon located on the screen. As you roll over, you'll also notice that it says My Network. Click to open. You'll notice that your username appears at the top of the screen. In this instance, my username is ChallengeKooDooZ. The first feature that we're going to talk about in My Network is the way that your fans are stored. As you can see, my fans are stored alphabetically, and the relationship and date that it was solidified are on the screen. I can also see that in the instance of KooDooZ founder, who I invited to be my friend, the invitation request is still pending. So though I'm not connected with them yet, I can view that I have requested that they become my fan. The second feature that you will notice you can use from the In My Network tool is the ability to go from your desktop to a fan's desktop. In this instance, if I want to see what Cobalt has been working on, all I need to do is click on the orange username, and I am automatically redirected to that person's desktop. You will notice that the first thing you see are Cobalt's challenges and to-do list. The to-do list shows me what Cobalt is working on. In this instance, I see that Cobalt has subscribed to get focused on philanthropy and to do a 3K. If I'd like to see Cobalt's entire desktop, I click on the KooDooZ button to return. I see here the change in color because this is the way that Cobalt has chosen to decorate their room, as well as a note welcoming me to their desktop so that there's no confusion as to what I'm looking at. If I wish to return back to my own desktop, I can click By Fan. The third feature of the My Network tool that I'll outline for you is how to add a new user or fan to your network. If you would like to add someone to your network whose username you already know, click in the Add a Fan and Friend field and type in the username. In this instance, I will be adding my friend whose username is KooDooZ. After I type it in, I click the Add New button. You will notice that KooDooZ is added to my network as a fan who's pending. If I feel like a fan who I've sent an invitation to hasn't received it, I can also click the Resend Invitation button at any time to send a new invitation. Please note you can invite other site users to become a fan by adding their screen name on the Network tab of your profile by clicking on the blue pencil on your desktop. You can also invite real-world friends who are not yet KooDooZ members. In My Network will also display requests from your friends to become a fan. Please be careful about whom you add to your network, because if someone in your network violates the KooDooZ terms of use, your level of access in the system may be reduced. In addition, if someone you do not know makes a request for you to become a fan, we strongly recommend you do not accept their request until you can verify who they are and that you know it is a person you want to interact with. Another feature in the My Network tool is the ability for you to delete a fan that you're connected to. If at any time you do not feel comfortable or no longer wish to interact with someone on the site, you can remove them from your network. In order to do this, you will go to the fan you wish to delete and click the button in the left-hand corner selecting the fan, or fans if you wish. In this case, I wish to remove Swim 17 and Swim 18 from my network. After selecting the fans I wish to delete, I move over to the Delete button and click this as well. It will give you a prompt that asks if you would really like to delete them. You can press OK if you wish to, or cancel if you do not. After you press OK, you will see that they are instantly removed from your network. If you wish to reconnect with them, you will need to add them by clicking and entering their screen name as shown before, and that user will need to reapprove the request. That is how you use the My Network feature on the KooDooZ desktop to add, remove, and view users on the system. Enjoy using your network to interact with others on the site.